Looking to transfer files quickly and safely? In this video, we'll compare SHAREit and Share, covering speed, reliability, and security, so you can pick the best app for your needs. Part 1: SHAREit versus Share, Features and Specs. Part 2: SHAREit versus Share, How to use. Install SHAREit on both phones and connect them via the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. On the old phone, tap Send, select Files, and tap Send. On the new phone, tap Receive and accept the connection. Wait for transfer to finish, then check Files. How to transfer data from one cell phone to another with Share. Install Share on both phones. On the old phone, tap Send, select Files, and tap Send. On the new phone, tap Receive and connect via QR code or hotspot. Wait for transfer to finish, then check Files. Part 3: SHAREit versus Share, User Reviews. SHAREit User Reviews. Share User Reviews. Part 4: SHAREit versus Share, Cons. SHAREit Cons: ads, security issues, slow or unstable, tricky cross-platform, cluttered interface. Share Cons: Android only, limited support, connection issues, no official reviews. Part 5: SHAREit versus Share, Best Alternative. Mobican Transfer for mobile Windows and Mac is a decent data transfer tool that enables seamless file migration between Android and iOS devices without data loss. User guide: how to transfer data to a new smartphone with Mobican Transfer for mobile. Launch the software and connect both phones. Ensure the old phone is the source and the new phone the destination. Use Flip if needed. Select Files to transfer and click Start Copy.